In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Go2bank online banking. Whether you're accessing your account to check balances, transfer funds, or manage your finances, signing in is the first and most crucial step. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can access your account smoothly and securely every time you need it. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another one entirely. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Go2bank login page, which you can typically find by searching Go2bank login on your search engine if you're unsure of the exact address. Navigating to the correct login page is crucial as it ensures you're logging into the official and secure Go2bank platform. Once you're on the Go2bank login page, you'll see fields asking for your username or email, and of course, your password. It's important to enter the email address or username that is registered with your Go2bank account. If you're not sure which one you used, think back to any emails or notifications you've received from Go2bank. They might give you a clue. Now carefully enter your password. Pay extra attention to the details here. Passwords are case sensitive, meaning that capital letters, numbers, and symbols need to be entered exactly as you set them. A small error can prevent you from logging in, so double check to avoid any frustration. Occasionally, Go2bank might prompt you to complete a security verification step known as two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is an extra layer of security to ensure only you can access your account. If this happens, Go2bank will send a verification code to your registered email or phone. Simply enter this code on the login page when prompted to proceed. It might seem like an extra step, but it's vital for keeping your account safe. Once you've successfully entered your information, you'll gain access to your account. Here, you can manage all your transactions, view statements, and make any changes needed to keep your financial life on track. Finally, when you're done accessing your Go2bank account, always make sure to log out, especially if you're using a public or shared device. You'll typically find the logout button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking logout ensures that your account remains safe and your financial information stays private. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be signed into Go2bank's online banking platform with ease. If you have any difficulties along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Go2bank's customer support for assistance. Now, you're ready to manage your banking needs anytime, anywhere with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy banking!